Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Google Pixel 10 Pro. Okay, so we have 2 methods how we can reset our device into the factory settings. First option is through the settings and the second is through the recovery mode. Let's begin with the first method, which is recommended when the phone works normally, when the screen is responsive, and of course when everything is fine. To perform a reset, open up the settings, now scroll down until you find the system, now scroll down and find reset options. And now, on the bottom we have a factory reset function. Besides, we can also reset mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, reset app preferences, erase eSIMs or delete private space in this menu. But of course we are interested in the last option. Now simply click on that. In here you have a list of things that will be deleted from your device. Remember that factory resetting the phone will cause this, that all of your data will be erased permanently from your device. If you don't have a backup, it's worth considering making it. If you don't know how to create a backup of your data, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how to do it step by step, so if you want you can look for it. Now simply click on erase all data. When you do it, your device will be turned off. After a few seconds it will be turned on again, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. That's the first method. Now let me show you the second one, which just like I have said before, is through the recovery mode. And it's recommended basically when the phone is unresponsive, or basically when we cannot perform the method that I have just shown you. So to perform a factory reset, first let's power off our device. Click power button and volume up button at the same time and click power off. Now the phone will shut down. And to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. So keep holding both of the buttons, just like that. Now the fast boot mode appeared first, and now using the volume keys we need to find the recovery mode right in here. And now once you have selected it, click the power button to confirm. Now let's wait a few seconds. Okay, now the Android logo appeared and it says no comment. Now to move forward we need to hold the power button and we need to tap volume up and then release the buttons. So keep holding power button, click volume up and release the fingers. Now we are in the recovery mode. Using the volume keys, select wipe data / factory reset. Now click the power button, select factory data reset, confirm. We can see on the bottom that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system. Now click the power button, and now all you need to do is to wait until the phone turns on, and now we need to set it up. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.